Has it been a while since your HVAC system has been checked? Seton Heat and Air has updated its services to help your equipment stay in tip-top shape. This means that the company is better able to maintain, repair, or replace your heating and cooling system. By taking advantage of this offering, you can extend the service life of your unit and avoid costly repairs. You will be served by highly trained and licensed technicians who can resolve any and all issues. Learn more by visiting the link in the description.